Hello everyone, welcome back to my favorite hangout spot. So today we're going to be installing the MetalCloak oil pan skid plate. You know, it's going to go right here. This will keep the oil pan from succumbing to any damage as we hit rocks and, you know, everything else. So let's get started. We're going to start out by degreasing, you know, just because I want to. So the skid plate's supposed to go in stock positions. Like there's a hole here along the engine block, and then we're gonna have to remove these two bolts here. They say they go in the stock position, but as of lately, I'm starting to realize that it's usually false. There we go. All right, that's how that goes. Let's see. All right. Remove these two here. And that should be it. Oh, my sizes are different. Looks like a 15. Of course. The shop is dirty. I need a shower after this. Oh, God. Who would have thought it would have been a pain in the ass? Breaker bar. We're going the right way first off. Before I get. That's right. That's left. Okay. Yeah, you always gotta double check things. Okay, there we go. So it comes with its new hardware, so we don't have to worry about using the old, but I will hold on to it just in case. I'm just gonna go ahead and assume this one's a pain in the ass. Yep. The bolt pattern's also different, so some of these bolts aren't even gonna be used. Okay. Anybody in the comments can let me know why my camera stops recording and how to fix it. Because I look over and it says standby. It's really not helpful when it does that. Oh, I wanted to spray some grease in these holes first. Garage is next to the church. They're having a time over there, looks like. Oh God. That hole's big. Alright, got all the bolts in there, finger tight. This is a relatively simple install, actually. It's not gonna take that long at all.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I just need to torque everything down and can ratchet and fit in there. If it's on this side, no. I'm gonna need a fucking wrench for that. The damn gremlin's moved my shit again. These bolts up here are really fishy. Took a while, but I found the right bit. They use some weird Allen head bits that I have to dig around and find. I really need a cameraman and an editor. After this, I'm gonna have to go shower and edit a video that hopefully turns out okay. Get my big extension, come back. Finally. Great. Well, that's done. It's funny how the simplest looking things end up being the biggest pain in the ass. Looks pretty cool though. Now my oil pan will be protected from rocks and other debris in the road and on the trail. Well, I'm gonna go shower and edit this monstrosity. Subscribe if you want to, and don't if you don't. Come back now.